Oh hi, I'm Sandra Lim, your Miss Universe Malaysia 2024. Today I'm here at GLOJAS Specialist Clinic to do a consultation to see what they can do for me to prepare me for Mexico. There is free consultation here, so if you do want to come here, just book and call us here. Let's go! Here at GLOJAS Specialist Clinic, we make sure all the doctors are certified with the highest credibility to give you the safest treatments. I have just consulted Dr. Venue to see what I can do to prepare myself for Miss Universe in Mexico later.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Venue here. Today we have Sandra, Miss Universe 2024 with us. I'm excited to prep her for the Miss Universe in Mexico. Today I will be doing more to a body contouring treatment and hair rejuvenation for her to achieve the best goal that she has.
Our first treatment today for hair rejuvenation is the Ozone hair treatment. This therapy improves blood circulation and eliminates any microbial infection present in the scalp and hair. So now we're moving on to the second treatment called jet. The forceful jet massage can stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which is essential for nourishing hair follicles and encouraging hair growth. I've just finished my consultation and treatment here at GLOJAS Specialist Clinic. Thank you so much. And if you're interested, here we specialize in body, hair, dental, from head to toe. So do come in, call us and book us here.